Hello to you out there. Welcome to my channel once again. It's been quite a while. Sorry about that, but I hope to be more consistent this time. This is Omo-Ikirodah, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create 3D cartoon animation videos in 2022 using a platform I had earlier talked about known as renderforest. I needed to update this video because renderforest too have updated their platform. If you check some of my previous videos, I have done one before, but this is an updated video to it. So to access renderforest is a cloud-based platform. So you go to your browser. In this case, I'm using Chrome, and you type in www.renderforest.com. You can see it coming up there. So just click on it and wait. Now, at this stage, if you have not registered with the platform, it will ask you to register. And but if you're already registered, you just need to log in. It's not showing all that because I recently made use of it. But I usually advise that you register with your Google or Facebook account to make it faster. So upon that, just click on Get Started. Now, there are so many things you can do with renderforest. So many things. You can see you can create videos, a website, logo, mockup, or graphic designs. But our focus for this video is how to create 3D cartoon animation videos that you can use for presentations, advert purposes, passing across a message, and so on and so forth. So the next stage, you click on video, give it a little time. Now, renderforest has quite a number of built-in templates that you can use, and so many things you can do, like I said. So if you scroll through, you will see the different things you can do with this platform and all that. So we click on create now. I haven't selected the 3D. Let me just go back a little. Yeah. So you click first on this 3D explainer toolkit. If you scroll down, there are so many things you can do. So we click on this one, 3D explainer toolkit. There are so many other things you can do, like I've said. Then click on create now. Now, you see three options: start from scratch, type your story, and templates. Normally, I prefer taking this one, type your story, because you are the one that know what you want to do and all that. Now, basically, what renderforest does when it says type your video script, remember it's an animation video. So there must be a script behind the video. Just like any film you watch, there's a script that the actors are playing out. So you have to type in your script. The only thing is that to differentiate the different scenes in your script, you separate each scene with a period. So that's basically what it is explaining in this box. And that's where we'll type our script. So let me just type in something very brief, and then we go ahead. Hello, my name. Okay, let me say hello, welcome to Fuda Digital Academy. We train people on various digital skills. Give us a call on 0803 722 5802. Thank you. All right, so this is just a brief script. renderforest, it's a free version, but it also has a paid component. So with the paid component, as expected with other apps and platforms, you have so much more options. For this free version, I think the number of scenes you can generate is maximum of 10. So the next thing, you click on generate project. Now at this stage, you could decide to go back to continue editing, or you actually generate the project based on these 5 scenes. Just like it's written here, 5 scenes will be generated, and you can see I separated them 1, 2, which is based on the full stop that I put. So when you are through, you click on generate project, and then the video will be automatically generated by renderforest using their inbuilt artificial intelligence. But it will still give us opportunity to still make changes if the scenes are not exactly as we would have loved them to be. So click on generate project, and it's going to generate it. Just give it a little time. Good, it has done it. Now, so up here are different icons showing us what is going down, what is going on below. Like here we can edit here. So on this place, what you see here, hello and all that, is also what is reflected here based on our script that we typed. Then while here are options where we can edit. For this first one, you can still adjust it. You can still adjust the text. This guy is blocking us there. You can still adjust. Let me move it up a little. Okay, you can still adjust the text if you want to. If, for example, I want to change it from hello, I can do that. The next one is the text position, whether to the left or right, you can do that. And then the matching scenes, this is where I just want us to look at. So in case it will now show you other scenes that could match your text. So in case if this one does not fully match, for example, maybe you wanted a male, you can change it here. So you select the different scenes, or you wanted it to be waving hand or whatever. So you can select any of that. For example, let me change it to this waving hand. Yeah, you see up, it would have changed. Good. So let's go to the next scene. So the same thing, welcome to folder. So let me see if there's any. Okay, I think it's okay. I can leave. Okay, now I can change it to this, for example. Let's look at the third one. It says this will train. So I also want to change it here. So let me okay, any of these two. Okay, let me take this. So I've changed the scene. I feel that is better. This other one now says give us a call. Let me see if there's any other, but I think what is there is okay. Give us a call is okay. Then this is the last one. It says thank you. Okay, for the masking scenes, it's also okay. I think I can leave it like that. It's all right. So if you want to add any other scene, you can click on this plus button down here. Good. So when you are through, to still look at more features of it, go to the next tab there, which is the overall look and feel. This is the 3D look. This is the flat one. You can see the transition. You can click on transition. It shows you how it changes from one scene to another. You can select any one, whichever you prefer. I think I would like this. Then the font. If you want to adjust the font, okay, can see it's already telling us to let us know that it's an upgrade to get all available fonts. So, but we don't need that yet. So let's leave it at this. Then let's go back up again. From here, we are changing the different things. This is the color theme, the next one. So you can select, yes, music and voiceover. Now you can actually add your voice over your scenes, but let's just add music by clicking on that button. Then you can see, looking below, you see music and you see voiceover. So let's select music. renderforest now has some inbuilt music that you could select, or you could even take from your if you have in your phone. So these are the different music in this album. So if you want to play it to hear it a little, you just click on this arrow button. And then when you are through, whichever one you prefer, you click on the plus sign for it to be added. So let me just play this one a little for you to hear. You hear that? So click on the plus sign to add it to it. And then you can also adjust the volume of the music, whether 100% or you can reduce it. Let me just reduce it to like 30% so that it will not be too loud. Then the last stage, you click the last icon, which is the preview, and then to render it. So you see the three options. So but if you are using a free version like this, just click on fast preview. Click on fast preview, and then you now see that it's telling you telling you that if you want it in high quality, you buy for this. So but if you are not doing that, you just click on skip premium scenes. Click on that, and then it will start rendering the video. It will take some time depending on your scenes and the speed of your system. So let's give it some time to load, and then we'll come back. So it is exporting, and it is showing you the percentage at which it is exporting. After it has finished exporting, then it will be saved into your phone gallery and you can access it. So let's give it a little time. So great, it has finished rendering. You can from here play it to preview how it will be. Let's just play it so you just see it. All right, good. So you could see it. So that is basically all. You could click on this. If you click on this edit icon, it will take you back there to do further editing. Then to be fully sure that you've downloaded it to your gallery, click on this menu icon up here. Click on it. You will see your account name here, the way you registered, based on how you registered and all that. So click on it also, and then you will see videos. You see my project, so you see videos. So you click on videos. Click on videos. It's going to show you videos you have done using this platform. And so just give it a little time to show you all the videos you've done using this platform. Good. So you can see it's showing this video here. So you can see free previews highlighted there. So all you just do, you click on this arrow here. This arrow, click on it, and then you click on download. And that's all. You click on download here. From experience, I found out that sometimes you may need to download it twice because it has actually downloaded before. That's why it's asking you again. So still download it again, and then you get it in your phone gallery. In fact, you can even go ahead to click on open to now view it fully on your phone. So that's about all, guys, on how to create your 3D cartoon animation video using the platform known as renderforest. It is a cloud-based platform and accessible, free, but you could subscribe for more options. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like and share it. Thank you, and see you in the next video.